Welcome to Extreme Animals Fact Theory. Today we're introducing the Labrador duck, a unique coastal bird that quietly vanished in the 19th century. The Labrador duck was about the same size as a modern mallard, making it easy to picture. However, it looked very different from the ducks we see today. Its feathers showed bold, contrasting blocks of black and white, not scattered spots, but large, clearly defined areas. It had a bright white head, a black neck and body, and white wings. This strong pattern gave the bird a clean, almost graphic appearance, more like a printed design than the mottled browns and greens of most ducks today. To someone seeing it for the first time, it might have looked like a duck in formal wear. The Labrador duck lived during the early to mid-1800s, with the last confirmed sighting in the 1870s. Unlike many extinct animals that disappeared long before humans recorded their lives, this duck coexisted with ships, trains, and early coastal settlements. It shared its environment with other seabirds such as scotters, eiders, gulls, and loons, birds that still live along the Atlantic coasts of North America today. However, even in its own time, the Labrador duck was considered rare. Hunters noted that it was shy and fast, and its meat was not especially desirable. Its diet was highly specialized. The structure of its beak suggests it fed on small mollusks and crustaceans, which it likely filtered from shallow, sandy shorelines. Unlike diving ducks that chase fish, the Labrador duck didn't dive deep. Instead, it would skim and sift near the surface, focusing on soft-bodied creatures in calm water. This narrow feeding habit made it very dependent on specific ecosystems, a risky strategy when habitats begin to change. The Labrador duck's home range stretched across the northeastern coastline of North America. It bred in the far north, in areas that today include Labrador, Newfoundland, and eastern Quebec, and migrated down as far as New Jersey and New York for the winter. In the 1800s, these regions featured long stretches of cold shoreline, with wetlands and estuaries rich in shellfish and aquatic plants. While some of these habitats still exist today, much has changed since the 19th century. The Labrador duck was declared extinct around 1878. There was no single dramatic event that caused its disappearance. It was not hunted to extinction, and its eggs were not widely collected. But over time, the coastal areas it relied on were altered by growing human activity. Shellfish beds may have declined due to pollution or disturbance. With a small population, a narrow food preference, and limited breeding grounds, the species may have slowly faded away before anyone fully noticed. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about vanished species like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe to Extreme Animals Fact Theory. More lost creatures are waiting to be remembered.